Hello friends, I am Arundhati Bajpayee from Tax Publishers Jodhpur. In this video session, we will discuss important issues relating to filing of Tran forms on the GST portal that can be filed till 30th November 2022. In pursuance of the Supreme Court's decision in Philco Trade Centre's case, the government has provided us with one-time opportunity to furnish Tran forms during 1st October 2022 to 30th November 2022. The window is open for all taxpayers, whether or not they have filed Tran forms earlier. So if a taxpayer could not file Tran forms for any reason, or if a taxpayer wants to revise the Tran forms filed earlier, it may furnish the same up to 30th November 2022. On the GST portal, the default filing status of Tran forms for all taxpayers would be visible as not filed. It means that the forms are not filed in the new window. Those registered persons who had successfully filed Tran forms earlier and who do not require to make any revision in the same are not required to file or revise Tran forms again. If, however, the taxpayer has already filed his original Tran and wants to revise the form, he is required to file complete form rather than furnishing differential values. The CBIC has also issued a circular on 9th September 2022 containing guidelines for filing or revision of Tran forms. One of the important requirements while filing Tran forms is that the applicant is also required to upload PDF of Annexure A as provided in the circular. The applicant is required to download a copy of Tran 1 and Tran 2 filed on the common portal and submit a self-certified copy of the same along with a declaration in Annexure A within 7 days of filing of declaration in Form Tran 1 or Tran 2 on the common portal. If the credit relates to C form, F form, H form or I form which is being issued after 27th December 2017, the same cannot be claimed in Tran forms. You can edit the details of Tran forms only before clicking the submit button on the portal. The applicant is allowed to modify or edit, add or delete any record in any of the table of the said forms before clicking the submit button. Once the submit button is clicked, the form gets frozen and no further editing of detail is allowed. If the credit availed on the basis of Tran forms filed earlier is rejected wholly or partly, the taxpayer is advised to prefer an appeal against the said order. The taxpayer should not furnish fresh Tran form. The declaration in the form GST Tran 1 or Tran 2 filed or revised by the applicant will be subjected to necessary verification by the jurisdictional tax officer. The applicant may be required to produce the requisite documents or records or returns or invoices in support of their claims of transitional credit before the concerned tax officer for verification of their claim. The CBIC has also issued a detailed circular on 10th November containing guidelines for verifying the transitional credit by the state as well as central authorities. After the verification of the claim, the jurisdictional tax officer will pass an order after granting reasonable opportunity of being heard to the applicant. The transitional credit allowed as per the order passed by the department will be reflected in the electronic credit ledger. The jurisdictional tax officer shall provide an opportunity of hearing to the applicant and thereafter pass a reasoned order within 15 days from the date of personal hearing, specifying the amount of transitional credit allowed to be transferred and upload the PDF copy of the said order within 90 days from 1st December, that is up to 28 February 2023. Where amount of original credited in the ITC ledger exceeds the amount of credit admissible in the terms of revised Tran 1 or Tran 2 filed by the assessee, such excess credit is liable to be recovered from the applicant along with interest and penalty. So friends, it is the last opportunity to file Tran forms of your clients. If it could not be filed earlier, verify your records carefully and then prepare Form Tran 1 and Tran 2. Make sure to verify the details before pressing the submit button. Once the submit button is clicked, the form would get frozen and no further editing of details would be allowed.